Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out The Legend of Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, today we're testing out the YUZU emulator once again on my Intel Core. That was awkward. i3-10105 with the Intel UHD 630 integrated graphics. I'm running with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory, and boy, I kinda expected a bit more from this. I'm being honest with you here. I have the GPU, I have the downscale to like 0.5% of 1080p, and it's performing a lot worse than I expected, if I'm being honest. 15 FPS seems a bit crazy. Just gonna put that out there. This is a very CPU limited game. It has a lot of CPU issues. I'm actually confused as to why I'm only getting 18. Well, I'm not confused. What am I saying? I'm confused about getting 18 FPS on the integrated graphics. I'm not confused, but I kind of expected more, so I'm a bit disappointed. I'll go with that. I wonder if I raise the resolution if it performed better. Curious. I just didn't expect to get less than 30 in the open world area, which seems a bit crazy to me from my logical thinking. Like, why would you expect that? It's integrated graphics, and you're outside, you're not even inside the dungeon. Maybe the dungeon would have run at 30. Wow, he still hit me even though I was hitting a combo. Crazy. That's just wild. You gotta be careful, once again, because at some point the CPU is gonna become the bottleneck for this thing, which I assume that in fact, no, the CPU can't be a bottleneck for it right now, because the CPU can definitely do 30. So, it's just the integrated graphics, I would imagine. And the integrated graphics altogether. Unfortunate. So, this doesn't look like this is going to be a smooth experience outside, guys, unfortunately. Looks like we are going to struggle here. Unless I'm playing with the wrong... No, I'm not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm running 30. I'm running 30. I'm running 30. I literally got confused there for a second. I was like, am I running with the 60 FPS mod? No, I'm not. Regardless, the game is using about 12 gigabytes of RAM. Could be worse. Could be worse. The game seems to be performing, all things considered. Realistically, I mean, it can hit 30. It can hit 30. It's hitting 30. So realistically speaking, what's happening is, yeah, it just can't handle. It just can't handle it running around gameplay-wise. It literally just can't handle it. I will try with real jinx as well, because obviously I'm sure people will be curious enough. I'm gonna try with different configurations as well, but I thought this one would be my best option right now, the lowest. We're only using 12 gigs of RAM though, at least you need 16, so if anyone has 8 gigabytes and trying to run some integrated graphics, don't. How about that? Don't do it, guys, it's not worth it. I have the mod on, so it's stuttering, but I imagine if you didn't have the mod on, I don't actually know if it would stutter or not. I don't think it would. It wasn't stuttering before, but the FPS is a lot lower. But obviously, we can't even achieve much more. So, But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. This crap is demanding, man. 44%, even even on an integrated graphics, the Intel is working. The CPU is working so hard for this thing. And it can't hit 30. It's working so hard. Performance isn't the worst though. I'll see you guys for the Ryu Jinx video.